recording started, huh? Share. Yeah. Today we have practical, right? We are,
Yes.
yeah, we are familiar with this type of questions. We did one. This question we did before, final term, right? Final term exams.
Yes, sir.
And I think you can remember this. We discussed this one, and we have another one. Uh, so before going to this one, we will just have a look on the previous one so that we can recall the ideas how to do or how to solve this practical. So from you, Moshi, you read this one first, huh? From question 3.
Okay, sir. A student investigates how the resistance of a filament lamp changes as the potential difference V across it changes. He uses the circuit shown in figure 3.1.
Continue.
Draw the symbol for an ammeter and the symbol for a voltmeter in the correct position for the investigation. The student takes two different sets of reading of current and potential difference. Suggest how he adjusts his circuit to do this.
Okay, first you answer about A. How will do A?
এক সেকেন্ড স্যার একটু দেখেন।
স্যার ভোল্টেজ মিটার হচ্ছে ব্যাটারির পাশে হবে না?
Just give a minute to him, to think, Moshi. Then we will discuss. No problem. Let him say first.
স্যার ব্যাটারি ঠিক একটু উপরে হবে না যদি ভুল না করি?
What? Which one? Ammeter or voltmeter?
Voltmeter.
Okay, so your first statement, how the resistance of a filament lamp changes as the potential difference V across it changes. So they are talking about this one, filament lamp, right?
Oh,
and the voltage or potential difference across this voltmeter. You know that potential difference and voltage is same thing, right?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam. Adnan, after a long time.
Yeah.
Adnan, why you late to join?
Me?
Adnan?
Late to join or why I'm joining after a week? Which one?
Both.
But number one, why I'm joining after a week, because they didn't even send me the invitation. And why I'm late now, because I couldn't find the link.
Okay, so Google Classroom, you are getting the responses, emails. That one you are checking.
Yeah, I asked them, but they said that they will give it, but I waited, and yesterday they gave it to me. And so, yeah, that's why I'm attending classroom.
Okay, I understand now. Fine. If you are connected with Google Classroom, we normally give it in
yes,
the
sir,
morning.
I saw the recording. Yeah, I saw the recording.
Yeah, thank you so much. So, thank you for joining. And there is another thing with you to discuss. We will discuss it later, not today, okay? Another class.
Ki result niye?
Yes, I am really disappointed.
Oh, na, oita bad den, na, oita bad den. ওটা কারণ আছে আমি বলতে পারবো না, ঠিক আছে, এটা পরে বাদ দেন, ওটা বাদ দেন, নেক্সট টাইম ভালো হবে।
ইনশাআল্লাহ I expected a lot from you.
আরে নেক্সট টাইম দাঁড়ান, পুরো 100 মার্ক পাবো, ঠিক আছে
ইনশাআল্লাহ I expect a lot from you. Now look, what we are saying, that potential difference and voltage, the same quantity, right? The scientific name of voltage is potential difference. And to measure potential difference, we need voltmeter, right? So we are measuring the potential difference across this lamp, filament lamp. That's why we have to fix it here. Okay, we have to fix it here this way. Can you do it this way if you get in exams? Moshe, Aisha,
Yes, sir.
Aisha, do you understand where to set?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah. Now ammeter. Ammeter is measuring the current. And we are measuring the current also through this lamp. How much is current over there? And from the circuit diagram, we understand that it is a series circuit. So to measure current through this lamp, it's same. It's same anywhere you are drawing the ammeter. You can draw it here. You can draw it here. You can draw it here, here, here. Anywhere you can draw the ammeter. Do you understand?
Yes,
Normally,
sir.
normally we do here so that we can understand everywhere the current is same. Everywhere it will be same. The current in series circuit, right? So
Sir, the
yeah,
current in series circuit is same everywhere, right?
right, right. So
Is equal everywhere.
yes,
What about
yes.
in a parallel circuit?
Parallel circuit. If you are getting branches, like I am drawing one, you will find it. Then here,
প্যারালাল
like
সার্কিটে তো ভোল্টেজ ইয়ে হয় তাই না ডিভাইড হয় না
voltage same, voltage same. In parallel circuit, voltage is same.
কারেন্ট
Look,
ডিফারেন্স
current is divided. Look, here we have uh, two branches like this. Here is one lamp. I'm drawing, yeah, here, and another the lamp is here. Okay, so here we are getting two branches. Hmm.
Okay.
Now, if your current here, it is giving you I, right? For example, it is I, and when it comes here, uh, it's divided, right? Branches. Here it divides.
It
And
divides
here,
equally, right?
yeah, it depends. If the resistance, like here, filament lamp are identical, that's why the current will be divided equally. But you are getting like different things. One has like here 10 ohms, another one is 20 ohms. Then 20 ohms will get less current. Okay, if the resistance is more, current will be less.
So that means in the first bulb, if there was a resistor connected to it and the current is 30 ohms, that means the first bulb will get 10 ohm and the second bulb will get 20 ohm.
Yeah, if you are given the current, like normally current is not like that, 20, 30. It's like 2 amps, right? 2 amps, 3 amps. So the unit for current is amperes. So we are saying it amps, 2 amps.
Okay.
So here we are getting the current 2 amps. So as they are identical, they will get 1 amps, 1 amps, right? Clear? And
Yes, sir.
if you are saying that, for example, this one has 10 ohms, uh, like this one is 10 ohms, and the other one is getting, you know, different 20 ohms, then it will be shared uh, with that ratio. Okay, like here we have double, right?
Yes.
It will be easier to understand here if we give here 3 amperes. Okay, then the calculation is more simpler. Then 1 ampere, here you will get 1 ampere. Then
Yes.
the other branch you will get 2 amps. Okay, here 10 ohms, that one you will get 2 amps.
Okay.
Here now you, if you set 1 ampere here, you will get here 2 amperes, and you set 1 here, then you'll get 1 ampere current. So this is about parallel circuits. Got it? And when the current reaches here, the branch is over. Now again they are combined, right? Now here again it will be 3 amps. Okay? When current reaches here, right? Aisha, you
Yes.
understand? Current reaches here, then what will happen? These 2 amperes and this 1 ampere are added, right? Together
Yes,
here.
then will be
Then
3
this
ampere can.
yeah, again it will get 3 amperes. So when branch starts, that time it is divided again, branches over, then again they meets together, right? And join
Yes.
together and making the same current again. Okay, clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, then we are going to next question, the question B1. B1 here. Can anyone answer this one? This one already we read the question.
By changing the voltage in the battery.
By increasing
Changing.
voltage of the battery, like we have here 2 cells, then we can add another cell, right? Then it will increase. Or there is other way.
Yes, sir.
There is
আপনি একটু কষ্ট করে ওই যে
please tell me.
yes sir, go on, I'll tell later.
Yeah, okay, now look, we can also change the variable resistor, right? Resistance, by using this variable resistor we can vary the resistance. We are what Jiva told, that we can they are saying what the student takes 2 different sets of readings of current and potential difference, suggest how he adjusts his circuit to do this. So what Jiva said, that if we increase this voltage, then we will get more current here, right? Isn't it? Because we are not changing any resistance here. So if we increase the voltage, it will be like that. V equals IR, right? So our current, if the current is more here in the circuit, then this lamp will also get more current, right? But its potential difference is coming from IR, right? But its resistance is same like before. As the current is increasing, if you multiply with the more current, then the potential difference also will increase. So it's varying, right? You can get more sets of readings. You are getting more sets of current and voltage from here. So it is about changing the voltage or power supply here, what Jiva told. Again, we can do what? We can change this to get another sets of reading. We can have this one vary, right?
We can put the lamp in another,
Yeah, we can vary this, like if this variable resistor previously it had maybe 50 ohms or 60 ohms, now we are decreasing it. For example, now we are making it 30 ohms only. If you are making it 30 ohms, what will happen? Then we will get different current, right? The current will increase, right? Isn't it? In the circuit, the current will be more than before. Do you understand? If you respond, then I can proceed. Otherwise, I am in confusion that yes,
Yes, sir.
you are understanding, right? So if you are decreasing this resistance, then the current will increase in the whole circuit. When the current will increase, then voltage across this lamp will also increase, because V equals IR, right? Isn't it? If you are getting more current, that means you are getting more voltage. So suggest how he adjusts his circuits to do this. We can write anyone. We can write the one Jiva told, that we can increase the voltage of power supply, or we can vary the resistance of the variable resistor. So is this one clear? B1 is clear to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to next part. Yeah, this part. We did this question before the final term. Again, we are revising it so that you can recall it, and we can do other question is there here. This question is available for you. We will continue after this. We will continue that one. Okay. Now Adnan, you read it. Adnan.
He adjusts his circuit so that the voltmeter shows 4.0 volt and he reads the ammeter. He repeats the experiment at 8 volts. Figure 3.2 shows the readings of current I on the ammeter for each volt. Record the values of I shown on the meter for each volt. When V is 4.0 volt, I equals dash ampere. When V is 8 volts, I equals dash ampere.
Hmm. So now you tell me the reading. Uh, can you please tell me the reading?
First one is 1.2 and second one is 1.7.
So you should.
1.65 now.
Okay, this one. First one
Wait to
is
1.65.
this one.
1.2.
1.2.
1.2.
Okay, everyone is agreeing with Adnan. Is it 1.2?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So it is 1.2. Then next one,
1.65.
1.65. Okay, great. One, just you remember it, or you note down it somewhere. We will have some more calculations next. On your paper, you note down it. One is for 4 volt, it is 1.2 amperes, and for 8 volt, it is 1.65 amperes. You note down it on your paper. You have the paper and pen with you, right? That one you use now. We are going to have next question, next part. Yeah, this one. Yeah, Yakin Sajjad, thank you for joining, but no thanks for joining late.
Better late than never.
Yeah, so you please continue this.
Use the equation R equals to V divided by I to calculate the resistance of the lamp at 4 volts and at 8 volts. State the unit in your answer. When V is 4 volts, resistance equals to, so
Hmm.
voltage is 4, so 4 divided by 1.2.
Hmm. Hmm. What it comes?
Wait, sir.
Everyone do it. And
3.33.
3.33. What about others? You also got 3.33. Hello, others. Aisha, Ziba, Moshe, Adnan. What's your answer?
Daran, sir.
Hmm? Just just now, yeah,
3.33.
3.33. You will say only 3.33, or you will add the unit also.
3.33
3.33
ohms.
ohm.
If you are not writing the ohms, they will not give you marks. They are very bad. Okay, you should write the unit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, 3.33 ohms. Good. Then This one also fine.
Next one is
4.85
4.85.
All of you got 4.85? 4.85 ohms. So, is it very difficult? This question is very difficult.
No.
Or
No,
you can
sir.
do. If you have this type of questions, you can do, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
continue C. Aisha, continue C.
Okay. State two physical changes in the lamp that are observed as the potential difference V is increased.
Hmm.
Shall I answer it?
Hmm. If you
Okay.
increase the potential difference, then what happens?
First of all, the lamp brightens, like the light gets brighter, and second of all, it gets hotter, like there's more heat on the
Okay,
lamp.
we are writing it. It's
Temperizes.
bright. It's bright. Then second is what? You are saying it's becoming
The
hotter, right?
temperature rises.
Mm-hmm. So hotter. Temperature rises. Very good. That's the smarter one. Temperature rises. Okay, thank you. Now we are
Excuse
checking
me, sir.
the mark scheme. The mark scheme is here. Mark scheme is here. This one.
Sir,
Tell me.
um, I wanna ask, which question paper book should we buy for physics?
Again, please.
Which question paper booklet should we buy for physics?
Why you need to buy?
A question paper so you can revising
Okay,
home.
for revising past paper questions.
Yes, question paper. Past paper question. Yes.
Anyone you can buy, but you buy the one which have the latest question papers. Anyone you
Okay.
can buy, no problem, because they never gave you the
Oh,
solution,
by
right?
the way, to Cambridge kinish, Edexcel kinish na economics jam na nisile last time.
Edexcel, why she will buy
The
Edexcel? Is she small?
Because she's
last time
Aisha,
I
sir.
think wow, that's a very good answer.
Okay, can you see the mark scheme now? For 3, check out. This one is the mark scheme,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, we discussed all of them. You got 3.33, 4.85, 1.2, 1.65. Adjust the variable resistor, number of cells, use battery of different voltage, use variable power source. Then the ammeter in series, we discussed it. Voltmeter in parallel, across lamp, we did that. Okay, and the final one, brighter, hotter. Then you say bulb blows. The another one you told temperature increase. That is also correct. Okay, done this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now another one we have like this. Like this question, we have another one. So okay, if I give you this question as an assignment at home to be solved, today is Thursday, right? By
Yes, sir.
Saturday you will solve it. Okay, and you will send me the picture or the PDF format in my email. Can you do it?
Question ki ye tha na G class hai na?
What?
Question Google Classroom mein dawa asa na?
Question I will upload now.
Oh.
I will upload now. This one I will write also what to do. In Google Classroom, I will write the instruction also what to do. So you will do this. This question.
Airport biology na?
Maybe I am not sure it is biology or not. But you understood what I told. We have only 1 minute now.
Yes, sir.
This class is 30 minutes, right? Aisha, Ziba.
30 minutes or 40?
Is it 30
Yes, sir.
minutes?
This class is 30 minutes, God knows why.
Yeah. So
আর
30 minutes.
মানে
so
কি?
so
It's
we
30
we
minutes
are
of
we
this.
স্যার
are
আমাদের ল্যাবের কি অবস্থা হবে?
আচ্ছা ল্যাব, আচ্ছা এটা ল্যাব ক্লাস ছিল তাই না, যদি ভুল না করি এর জন্য 30 মিনিট।
yeah.
It's a
ইয়া
full
এটা
shift.
ল্যাব ছিল।
Listen,
This is a part
আচ্ছা
of
স্যার,
it.
হ্যাঁ আমাদের প্রত্যেকটা সাবজেক্টেরই ল্যাবের কি হবে? আমাদের তো ল্যাব এখন
this one
মনেও নাই
this
কোনো
one
কিছু।
this one we are doing lab, okay, and
ও
this one is related to lab. What we are doing now.
It's paper 4.
Yeah, it's paper 4 and it's similar to your lab. Only what you are doing, only doing on the paper. And
so we will do number 3 as the assignment.
yes, as assignment you will do number 3. So you understood everything, right? What to do?
Yes.
Just
Yes, sir.
just send me the answer in PDF format or image format by Saturday. Thank you all
Okay,
for
sir.
joining.
Sir, only do paper 3.
Sorry.
Will we not do paper 3?
Yes, we will do paper 3 when the school will open, and we will go there
জানুয়ারি মাস
practically.
থেকে।
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe in September we can start. In September, from September. Till then, we will go this way, and we will also do some questions related to graph. Yeah. There are some questions related to graph in paper 4 also. Then I think it will be like you will be expert in doing all this. Then when we'll get paper 3, you already have some ideas how to deal with the instruments, how to take the readings using the instruments. So it will not be a big problem, inshallah. Okay.
স্যার
Thank you.
আপনি আমাকে একটু মেসেঞ্জারে মানে আমার ইয়েতে একটু ওই যে কারেন্ট ইলেকট্রিসিটি ওইটার ওয়ার্কশিটটা একটু দিয়ে দিয়েন তো।
Current electricity.
হ্যাঁ ওটা হারায় গেছে আমার ইয়ে, ডিলিট
Okay,
হয়ে গেছে।
I will give you in email. Okay, your email address
ইমেল
is
আচ্ছা দিয়েন।
in email, so I'll give
লাগবে
you
স্যার
the.
ইমেল?
Yeah, I have your one. If I need that, I will call. No problem. I'll give the
ওকে স্যার।
worksheet, the mark scheme also I'll give, and the notes also I'll give. Okay, don't
ওকে
worry.
স্যার।
Thank you so
কারেন্ট
much.
ইলেকট্রিক, হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Sir.
Allah Hafiz.
ওই আয়শা লিভ দিস না, দাঁড়া আয়শা লিভ দিস না।